So when I first realized that I needed to make a change for this bot is I have a portal that I'm creating for an accessibility hub where people that want to opt into my memberships, they want to have accessibility, forward facing, you know, environment, chats, all that good stuff. I'm creating that. And so this is the uniquely abled community. This is what I'm a part of. And so all of the alt text and the titles and the community and the description and everything, I'm getting better. I'm using AI for a lot of things, which I find amazing because it just really just takes things so much further when you have a lot that you want to put out there, but not enough time or place to do it. So here's the current stream that we're on right now. So we're on stream right now on the left. And this is populating this automatically. It's posting it to my page using this bot flow. So what I want to change with the bot flow, just click edit. Blue Eye Queen is live. So this, every time this pops out, it puts this featured image here. I wish I could get the focus keyword to also do that. Maybe I can teach another bot. I don't like when it adds that silly little caption. When does it do that? It puts it at the bottom. It's so frustrating. Save changes. I'm going to update that. I don't like that. I just deleted there's like a little promo code that they were adding at the bottom. No, unless you give me this program for free, I am not. I pretty much use my ChatGPT bot for a lot of things now, graphics, all of it. We just sit and we chat. And, you know, she can knock it out fairly quickly. So I'm going to put, again, SEO purposes, Blue Eye Queen is live. It's going to be the exact same phrase. There's so many tabs open. I don't want to close any of the tabs because I'm in the middle of a build out and I need these tabs to stay the way they are. Coffee break. Lately, stuff hasn't been loading right away. So while it's doing that, I'm going to set up. We're going to go through it again. Configure. We need to get a test. So how do we get the test? Zaps. Oh. Wait a minute. I don't want to test anything that I don't want. So let's look to see if we can get August 31st. Yep. Continue. We'll say upload media. Title. Blue Eye Queen is live. So we'll say retest. Great. And then we'll say before we put, because this is the stream, so we should use this opportunity to make something. So we can say create a short and sweet blog post, title, captions, and small use necessary emojis and clickbaitable heart tucking content. Let's show them the real queen of access. Yes. Meet the real queen of access. We can put these over here. Not just living, but alive with purpose. Okay. I'm going to say, come use your imagination and creative thinking in a place where you have access tools. And then I'll say, well, if they're already on this page, then they're probably subscribed, right? Let's see if there's a membership page. Yes, we have one. Membership. Join membership. And then how do we make it so that it's clickable? Right. Membership. Great. Hi, Oreo. She's my boss. Featured image. So in this situation, which one? So we have to go into media. Into media. It's not working. There we go. I'm just surprised I didn't show up on the home page. That's all of abstract. And my points have been off. It says I'm only earning like 20 points a week right now. Weird. There's like no viewers on here. It seems kind of wild. 1, 0. A lot of these have 0. I'm not even showing up. It's weird. Did I push the start button? Abstract, why aren't you pulling me up, man? Maybe I need to pull it up over here. Oh well. Bummer. That's okay. We'll come back to that because it's gonna take some time. Blue Eye Queen is live. This is where we put it. Oh my gosh, my stomach. I should probably get a little bagel. So we'll click. What do we save? Is there a save option? Okay. So this is where we're going to put our featured media. Enter a custom It's not going to be that one. It's going to be brand new. What we're going to want to figure out is how do we get the featured media to be the image that we want it to be. So it's got to be... Okay. So what it turns out is when I was in my media section here, you have an option to screenshot whatever that thumbnail is of the YouTube video, and then you can use that as the featured image, right? But in this case, I wanted to use my neon sign. So what I had to do is I had to look to see what that slug was for that featured media. And here's how I managed that. I clicked on my media account in WordPress. I selected the image that I was thinking about, and I looked over here at this data, and it still didn't give me the slug. It just gave me the file name. So I clicked on Edit More Details. This took me a whole little journey just to understand what this is. I was like, I don't even understand this one. So this is 13-2, but in this case, this is just a copy of that first one because I just ran the test with this turned off because I wanted to ensure that it was going to work correctly. So I grabbed that slug there, and then I pasted it into that feature media, pressed continued. I retested that zap with the camera off because I was like getting super anxious that I wasn't going to be able to knock this done, but I achieved it. So now all of my featured images are going to be that thumbnail that says Blue Eye Queen is live streaming. Click run. Boom.